guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that each and every time I post a new video, you're going to be notified. So on this video, we're going to prepare Kienyeji chicken. As you can see, today we have pure Kienyeji chicken. It's yellow, you can see the legs, the way they look like. Yes. So our first step is kuchoma nyama. So we have our jiko ready. We put our Kienyeji chicken on top of the jiko. Yes. Tuichome kwanza to enhance the taste. So far, this is the progress, and we are ready for the next step.
So hapa, as you can see, the Kienyeji is ready. So we add water and boil until soft. Yes, depending na Kienyeji yako. So here, the Kienyeji is well cooked, soft and tender. So we add the onions, yes, then stir. Ginger, garlic paste, then stir. So here we add our tomatoes, capsicum, salt, then add some water and allow the other ingredients to cook. So here our Kienyeji chicken is ready. As you can see, it looks so yummy. Yes. So thank you for watching. Try this recipe. Bon appetit.